friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to communicate between two PLCs via SLMP protocols. So let's start the video. First of all, open your programs and go to modules parameters. There are some settings you need to configure. So first of all, go to module parameters and then click external device configurations. Before that, put IP addresses like this is the B class IP address and the same subnet mask. Default gateway not required. So now just add external device configurations. Simply clicks and after open this window, simply click maximize and go to Ethernet device general settings and first of all add MELSOFT connection. A MELSOFT connection enable to communicate TCP/IP devices and after that simply close with reflection the settings and now go to application settings and simple CPU communication settings and click use and simply click detail settings and here communication pattern. This communication patterns enables you like which data register you want to read and write. You want to select based on your devices and holding registers. Simply click what you want like read and write. Now here I'm going to write. So simply click write and this is your communication interval timers. This is like fixed interval 100 milliseconds. This is milliseconds and this is your source IP addresses that here you put and this is your destinations. In the destinations you can select your devices like which type of devices. There are support multiple devices like built-in, R series, MILSEC and here scroll downs and below side you can see like SLMP compatible devices and 3 frames. This is the last and so simply clicks and here you put destinations IP address like 163.40 and port number. Here in SLMP protocols you have to mention port numbers like 1002 and host and this is your port number like and this is port number is like destinations and host station port number. This is your port numbers like 1000. Simply click OK and bit register and here you have to put like your which data register you want to write and simply I want to write to data register. Now simply click and tens and 115 like good only 6 data registers. This is your destinations like where you to read like so I'm going to assign simple data registers. Click and ignore it and apply and first of all here you can see your like TCP port numbers. This is your host port numbers. This is your Ethernet built-in port host port numbers, not to define like at these stations. Thank you guys.